Today we're going to show you what it's like to drive a 2012 Shelby GT500. Now this one has been modified, so it has 663 wheel horsepower. First thing you notice when you get into the car is there's plastic everywhere, and when you shut the door, it sounds cheap. Now the driver's seat has power front and back, but to recline it's manual. Now the passenger seat, it's all manual. Got kind of a really old, cheap looking key for a 2012. No push button start, but sounds great when you fire it up. Cue ball shifter, 6-speed manual. Pretty short throws, but it feels very notchy, and you definitely know when you're in gear. Overall, let's see, clutch throw on the lighter side. First gear can be a bit touchy, but on a car this powerful, I don't know if that's a huge complaint. Right off the bat, steering very, very loose. I mean, not very communicative. It rides very hard. Feel all the bumps in the road, but not in a way that aids to the handling ability. It doesn't communicate good feedback. It gives you just jarring sensations that don't really let you know anything about the road beneath you other than it's painful, especially in Michigan. But you know, these cars are made in Michigan, so really they should be expecting the crappy roads. But you don't care about that when when you floor it. Rear wheel drive, so it does get a little tail happy like back there if you're around a turn, but what I'm kind of surprised about actually is in a straight line it puts the power down pretty well. It's got Michelin Pilot Super Sports in the back. This car came with the SVT package from the factory, which gave it Goodyear tires that were made specifically for this car, but tire technology has improved since then. The Super Sports are kind of the king of the road in terms of your everyday performance tire that's not just track based. Downshifts are pretty easy. And one of the most noticeable characteristics about this car is the absolutely insane supercharger whine. Unlike turbochargers, which kind of ruin the exhaust sound, this adds to it in a way that's absolutely great. Now I'm going to shut up and let the car do all the talking.